Quartet Prestige 2 Magnetic Cork Bulletin Boards. Enjoy dual benefits of a cork board with magnetic capabilities, which gives you two options for posting your important announcements and documents. What's more, you have the option of posting documents without pinholes. These boards are great for use in shared work environments. The large grain magnetic cork surface features durable steel backing and is self-healing to eliminate ugly pinholes. Choose from 4 frame options: graphite, aluminum, mahogany, and black. It's available in 4 sizes: 3 by 2 feet, 4 by 3 feet, 4 by 6 feet, and conference room size 4 by 8 feet. Pass-through mounting hardware makes hanging incredibly simple. These boards are fully compatible with Quartet Prestige 2 Connect's accessories and come with a 10-year warranty. Order your Quartet Prestige 2 Magnetic Cork Bulletin Board today.